Good afternoon, everybody. I just thought I'd check in with you because I was at a networking event last night, and it's a very social gathering, and it includes a meal where we all sit down and have a meal together and have a chat, and then we move on to another part of the evening. And it was really noticeable to me. They served the food. It wasn't a buffet. They brought the meal to the table, and we all sat and ate what we had to eat, what we'd ordered. And I suddenly realised that I'd only got about halfway through my meal, but everybody else had completely finished their meal, and they were looking to collect up the plates and take them away, and I was still only halfway through my meal. I'm thinking, do I finish trying to eat my meal? Do I eat it quickly? What do I do? It made me appreciate just how quickly people do eat their food. And I have made a conscious effort over the years to eat more slowly, to chew my food really well. And it is so important that we try and do this. And why is that the case? Well, when we take the time to appreciate what's in front of us, the sight, the smell of the food, this actually sends messages to our brain, that sends a message to our stomach that food's about to arrive. This helps it prepare for that by secreting digestive enzymes, hydrochloric acid, things like that in the stomach. The chewing action in the mouth also then secretes more saliva, which contains another enzyme called salivary amylase. But all these things are really, really important, because if we don't secrete all these digestive secretions, it's going to impair the ability to break down our food. And it has a knock-on effect. Our bodies are really cleverly designed. So from the stomach, food passes further down into the digestive tract. There's further secretions to do with the breakdown and the digestion of our food. But the consequences from that initial eating our food really, really quickly, following right the way through to potential impact on not only not necessarily getting the ability to take the nutrients from our food and absorb them into our body, which of course is important, but the knock-on effect of really poor digestion is further down in the digestive tract. And this is where we can get all sorts of symptoms like bloating and pain and irregular bowel movements and other noises, for example, and things like that. So, it's really important. If they were doing that at a networking meeting, probably what is happening when they're at their desk at work, what's happening when they're at home, are they sitting in front of the TV, eating their food and not thinking about what they're eating? And whilst social engagements are really important, it doesn't stop us from just taking a moment to stop and chew our food really well. So I thought I'd just share that with you because it was really fresh on my mind today. I'll be covering things like this and more things like this on my webinar on the 6th of June at 7 p.m, which you can sign up for via Eventbrite or from Zoom. So please do that. I hope to see as many of you on there as possible, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thank you.